Mechanism of respiration. So mechanism of respiration take place in two phases, inspiration and expiration. Inspiration means process of inhaling air and expiration means process of exhaling air. We know that during inspiration, inhaling air, we inhale oxygen and carbon dioxide get inhaled, expire from the lungs. Okay. Now let's discuss about inspirations. So inspiration is the process of inhaling air into the lungs. Okay. During inspiration, the muscles of diaphragm get contract and the diaphragm moves downward. When it get contract, it moves downward. Okay. This result in the increase in the volume of the chest cavity. Volume of chest cavity get increases when diaphragm move downward. Then what happens? The volume of the chest cavity get increases. Okay. And the air, when volume get increases, then air pressure inside the chest cavity decreases. Okay. When volume get increases, air pressure inside the chest cavity get decreases, so that oxygenated air present in outside the body, being at high pressure, flow rapidly into the lungs. Got it? So when diaphragm moves down and the chest cavity, volume of chest cavity get increases, the air pressure get decreases, then what happens? In our body, in our lungs, air pressure get less in comparison to outside of the body. So what happened? The oxygenated air present outside the body, being at high pressure, flow rapidly into the lungs. Okay. In the lungs, oxygenated air reaches the alveoli. Now I will show the here. So when oxygenated air reaches to the lungs, it reaches through the nasal passages, then larynx, from this trachea, bronchioles, then at last it reaches to the alveoli. So alveoli are thin walled and are surrounded by network like capillaries, blood capillaries. Okay. This alveoli is the space of exchange of oxygen and carbon dioxide. Alveoli is the place for exchanging carbon dioxide and oxygen or gases. So alveoli are thin walled and are surrounded by blood capillaries like this. Okay. So the oxygen then supplied to all the tissue of the body through this blood capillaries. Okay. Oxygen reaches to all the body parts, all the cells of the body, and what happens then? From the tissue, the waste product means carbon dioxide is absorbed by blood and carried to the alveoli of lungs for expiration. Okay. So alveoli is called the place for exchanging air, oxygen and carbon dioxide. So this is the process of inspiration or inhalation of air.